Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of the eJoe electric bicycle, foldable. The model is a Swan, Epic Swan. I'm going to do unboxing, show you how easy to assemble or not easy to assemble. I'll show how actually it's packed, and we'll go for a ride, do some speed test and brake test and see how foldable it is. So the eJoe company been in business for a while actually, and I have the other model Jade reviewed about a year ago, which I like a lot. And they do have many electric bicycles, which is mostly Step-Thru bicycles. You can check the website in description. Also, the company have few locations in San Diego, which are selling them as well locally. You can check the addresses in description. Maybe you live around, so you can check by. And I think they also rent them, so you can probably take it for a spin and see if you like it. It's very important when you're buying electric bicycle. So also it comes with a phone number on the box. You can always call them. I'll post the link also, all the information in description. And I understand they do inspection in San Diego before they ship them. So that's what it says on the box. But let's do unboxing and see how it packed. The bike looks like well packed inside. I'm gonna remove the bike from the box and see if I need actual assembly or just unpacked all this protective gear. Alright, so the bike actually not as heavy because it comes with like 2 or 3 inches tires, and I'm gonna remove. Looks like it's all fully assembled. Alright, so I'm gonna first remove all this protective stuff. There's a box, most likely it's a charger. Let's see what is inside. Yes, it's a charger, pretty big charger. Let's see how big. It's 2 amp charger, which is okay. Alright, so the bike actually came fully assembled as never before. This unique bicycle. It might looks actually like Swan, that's why they call it Swan. I'm not sure, but eJoe, they're making a really good bicycle. So let me give you some spec about this bicycle and what I like so far. I just unboxed it, I didn't ride it yet, but the first things I noticed, the Step-Thru. I just measured it. It's only 13 inch from the ground, which is the lowest Step-Thru bicycle I have. And the color is great. And I also noticed it has suspension right here, which actually working suspension. It's like fork suspension, but not really, somewhere between, I guess. Has a light by 5-star. It comes with a dual disc brakes, mechanical brake system, which is by TEKTRO. It comes with foldable pedals, foldable frame. It comes with a rack, and it also has integrated rear light. So I'm gonna check it out later. Also, it has an adjustable handlebar. You can bring it up if you need to. Let's see. Yep, you can do it. It comes with a bell, a thumb throttle, a little bit small display, actually very small, but I don't think you need a real large display when you're riding the bicycle. You better pay attention to the road. It also comes with very nice looking and soft grips. Really good, actually, one of the greatest looking. and 7-speed by Shimano. Revolve shifting, so basically you're turning back and forward to shift the speed. It has 7-speed, and let's see how many speed it has on display. So far looks like 4 or 5, so it comes with a 5 speeds on display. And actually you can see very clear because it's LCD display. You can see a bright light or probably at night as well. There's a key right here attached, so the battery actually integrated in the frame, as you can see. Over here is the bottom, I think it's power on, to check if it's full charge. Looks like it's fully charged, so I might go for a test ride. Also it comes with the mud guards, dual mud guards, pretty good, white, so should work very good. Foldable steam. The bicycle seat post very long, so it can fit taller people as well. So this bicycle can fit basically if you're very short or very tall, because it's step-through with 13-inch, which is actually one of the first bicycle I have with a so low step-through. So people with a disability or hard to step over a frame, I think it's gonna be the perfect e-bike. So I want to see how comfortable to ride. The sitting position can be adjusted because the handlebar can go all the way up, so I can sit like upright like this, so it should be very comfortable to ride this bicycle. At the same time, I want to see how foldable this bicycle is, so I'm gonna try to fold it. So basically you just pull trigger over here and pull it open, remove the stand. So it's my first time I'm folding. I'm gonna fold the pedal as well, just in case. So it's pretty simple. Over here there's some locking mechanism you need to remove and unleash the handlebar, and that's it. You can remove the seat if you want to, but let me show you close up. It looks pretty good. So you can fold it easily actually, because it's not as heavy as most fat bikes, foldable sold. And as you can see, it's much slimmer, so you can fit probably in a mini trunk vehicle or on the back of the seat, or take it for travel in your RV. So far it looks good. Turn the light on, you press the plus sign, hold it for a few seconds, and then front light will be on. And at the same time, it's actually light moves together with the fork, which is good. And then you have tail light. I'm not sure if it's also a brake light, maybe too. And I'm gonna test without load how fast it can go. So you can go 24 miles. So it comes with a brake light. When you press the brake, it will turn on, as you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the ride to see how the bike actually riding, and speed test on throttle only. It comes with a thumb throttle, which is cool. It sits like the seat, it's pretty comfortable. It's more like sporty seat, but let's see how to easy to switch the gear. Actually it's not bad. So I'm on the first gear right now. I just need to do adjustment, feels like. Yeah, I need to do adjustment. So I'll go to the gear number 7, number 6. Alright, so I'm ready to do the speed test. So I'm gonna set up the phone to record it, because the display is kind of small, so I'm gonna tell you what speed I'm going on GPS actually, because most of the speed I do based on GPS test. And I'll use the throttle only. I'll switch just in case to level 5. It's my first time riding this bicycle, so let's see how fast I can go on throttle only. It's 8 miles, 10 miles, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 20. It's pretty quick getting 20, 21, 22, 22 miles on throttle only. On display show 21.1. So it's about, based on my experience, about 24, 25 miles an hour based on GPS. And actually the brakes works really good. It stopped really good, so I don't even need to test it anymore. It works really good, the brakes. Even mechanicals, but still works really good so far. So let's go with a pedal assist level 5. 20 miles an hour. So I need to switch to 7. Okay, now I don't get ghost pedaling, because before I was getting ghost pedaling. 22. So on the gear number 7 you can go about 22 miles based on display and GPS 22 show, so it's about 24, 25 miles. I'm gonna switch to pedal assist level 1. And so far it's not bad, actually. Riding it's good, position is good, like sitting position. Looks like the seat, I will upgrade the seat because it's not very comfortable for this type of bicycle. It's more sporty seat, I would say, for road bike or mountain bicycle. Okay, but since you're sitting like almost completely, you're not gonna stand up, so you better have more comfortable, larger seat. The grips are actually very good. I like the grips. The switching gear is pretty easy, just need to adjust it since it's my first time. To switching to the speed, pretty simple. And my seat, the seat post can go even high if I want to. Also the handlebar seam can go a little bit high if I want to, but so far it feels comfortable. I can feel, actually I can see and feel that the front suspension does a little bit the job. Not a lot, but it's actually give you a little bit caution, like, so it's give you a little bit the work, but there's only like half an inch travel, I think, so it's not gonna be like extremely effective. But for the city ride or beach riding on the flat surface, I think it's perfect bike should be. It's only 500 watt power, which is not that powerful, but still you pick up speed very quickly. It's give you good torque. I can see like on throttle, easy 21 miles, 22. Wow. So, and the brakes works really good. As you can see, it works really good. The brakes, mechanical brakes, but works good. You don't need, on this type of bicycle, you don't need hydraulic brakes because it's going only like 22-25 miles an hour. Maybe there is options to adjust higher speed. I know my other Ejo bike has about 34 miles an hour speed, the J8 model. So maybe the settings, I think it comes preset, so maybe there will be options to make higher speed. I don't know, I didn't check it yet. So it's give you a good workout, at the same time convenience. You can take this bicycle anywhere with you in the trunk. So it's give you good options to travel with this bicycle as well, because you can put this bicycle in the trunk or anywhere you want to. It should be really good for RV or go to the beach. so you don't have to have a rack to put it on. You can easily to fold it. As you can see, it's foldable, and it can fit shorter people or even taller.